Hey y'all, it's Bug, and this is It's a Bug's Life. The other day, when we were fixing the window and the door check, we opened up the door panel and discovered all this rust. So today we are going to show you how we did some rust repair. So thanks for watching. These guys are the culprits.
So we're trying to get, because those felts fell down in there, and just laid in the very bottom. They plugged the drain holes and just kept saturated with water. So unfortunately the drain holes weren't working. The felts were, the four of them laid almost perfectly flat on the whole bottom, so they were soaked all the time. So we got some surface rust starting down in this crevice down here, and as rust-free as this Jeep is, we definitely want to address it now and get it agitated up, and then we'll get some POR15 in there, paint the surface, and stop our rust. So I'm glad that actually this door stop, or the door check, kind of failed on us, because honestly we would have never looked in there and seen that basically those vibration felts, I can show them to you. I think we already got a picture of them, but did you throw them away, Buggy? I think we got a picture of them. So the Bug threw them away, which is the Bug. It's laying around, it's gone. So here, let me get a, so we've agitated it, and we'll get a vacuum in there, get it cleaned out. There's some rust on the ground, dirt really, and we'll get that coated up real good and save ourselves some future headaches, for sure. All right, off to the next step. Agitate it all on the inside, get it all cleaned up, use the POR15, and then the same thing on the outside here. We're gonna, get the surface rust of it off, and then even though it's gonna be black, it's better to be black than to be rusted through. So that'll be our next step. We'll show you guys the finished product as we're going through. Okay. This is the POR15. We've got the surface rust off of it. Yes, it's gonna be black, but we'd rather have that than the rust.
Is there another color?
No, but we've got touch-up paint for this. But I mean, this Jeep is in such beautiful shape. I'm glad we cut it at least now. You know what I mean?
Yep. Absolutely.
Because at some point, and this will do the best we can, but at some point, because it did poke through a little bit on this pinch seam down here, that it may end up rusting through right on that side right there. But we'll rock her as long as we can. This will seal it in so it can't oxidize anymore. And this isn't a professional job, we know, but we got color match paint, and we're gonna just spray this. It's a 4-wheel drive, but we still want to keep it in the best shape we can, since it's a Texas rig, and there's like zero rust on it except for this spot. So we got it taped off, we got it rubbed off, no oil on it, and we got the tape peeled up like that, so when you spray it, it doesn't give it actual real hard lines. A lot of times you'll see repairs where it's just a real hard line on it, and when you peel the tape back up a little bit like that, it gives it so you don't have such hard lines. So we're just gonna we'll let that dry, and we'll do several light coats on it. So obviously you can see the black under it still.
Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. We did show you where we spray painted the outside of the car. We also did spray paint the inside of the door frame, and we used this Mopar spray paint that we have here, and we'll show you a picture of it real quick before the video ends. So I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure and leave comments below. I always do make sure I read them all since I haven't received any. So please like the video, subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.